Hi there guys, it's Adam here from adaminsights.com, and in this video I'm going to take you through how I clean the full frame sensor in my Leica M10. So I'm only making this video because I'm aware that I've got some dust on it. And I know I've made this video previously with another M10, and some people said, oh, the angle wasn't right, you couldn't see what you're doing. Well, I'm going to give this another shot, but I will just say this is a $10,000 camera. I'm going to focus on cleaning the sensor in this video. Hopefully the angle is going to be better. So first thing I'll say, don't worry about that. We're not using the sink or any morning fresh to clean the sensor, but it actually does bring me to the first point I want to make about sensor cleaning. Do it in the cleanest possible room you've got in your house or that you have access to, and the driest possible room. So right now I'm actually in my kitchen, and this room has tiled floors and bench top. There's no fibres from furniture or carpets, animals, whatever, that could actually get into the camera. And it's easy for me to see any dust or stray insects, whatever, that's floating around because it's really well lit and I can see what's going on very clearly. It's also easy for me to do a quick dust around here to make sure this area is perfectly clean, or as clean as I can get it, before I go ahead and clean my sensor. So that's why I'm in my kitchen. That room could be whatever room works best for you, but it's where I feel most comfortable cleaning my sensor. So, what equipment are we going to use? Well, I've got a rocket blower here. These things are fantastic, and the first step of my cleaning is always just to dust off the sensor with the air from this, because that can remove any larger particles and any larger or coarse, relatively coarse particles that could scratch your sensor when you clean it later on. Now, it's generally not a good idea just to go really gung-ho, really fast with these things, because they can leave some residue. And you can also end up blowing dust in and around your camera, which obviously you don't want to do. So I always just give it a light dusting with these. I then actually use the VSGO full frame sensor cleaning swabs and fluid. These things are great. Now VSGO says use a dry swab to go over the sensor first, and then a wet swab that you've moistened with 2 to 3 drops of the sensor clean, and then a dry swab again. I actually just go straight for the wet swab and then dry it off with the dry swab. And then finally, I just give the sensor a quick dusting with the rocket blower again. I'm just going to move my lens out of the way. Alright, so in the Leica M10, you obviously have to go through the menu and select sensor cleaning. Word of warning guys, with sensor cleaning, if you see the red light flashing in your rangefinder while you're cleaning, get out of there. It means that the camera is about to close the sensor, the shutter, and you don't want to risk damaging your shutter. So we're going to select sensor cleaning in the camera's menu. We're going to clean the sensor, and then we're going to turn off the camera. That red light will start flashing, which is about 10 seconds before the shutter will close. If at any stage you see that light starting to flash while you're cleaning, stop cleaning, put the camera down, step away, don't have anything anywhere near the shutter. That could cause serious damage. Alright, now, just the last thing here, this is how I clean. If you're not confident in cleaning your own sensor, then don't. I have actually seen it when someone was cleaning their sensor once and a bug got into the camera. Awful, smeared all over the sensor. That was with an old Nikon, I believe, about 2008, and yeah, I couldn't ever dream of letting that happen to my Leica. So I'm just going to give this area one final little dust around. your swabs ready just to pull straight out the packaging. Okay, that is the first dusting done. The reason I actually stopped the cleaning there and didn't go ahead with the swabs was because I felt like I was going to sneeze. I haven't, which is a good thing, but I felt like it. And an important thing to remember when you're cleaning your sensor, if you feel nervous at any time, if something isn't going right, just stop and take a step back and relax. You've got to stay relaxed, you've got to stay in control of yourself. Yes, this is a $10,000 camera. Be calm when you're cleaning the sensor. And take your time. I mean, this video is already up to 7.5 minutes, and I haven't even taken the swabs out yet. It's because I'm taking my time with an expensive camera. Okay, so let's go ahead to the next stage anyway. Just in the menu, I'm selecting sensor cleaning and open shutter. And we're done, just like that. Okay guys, enjoy.